So in this video, friends, I'm going to tell you how to earn passive income literally by using your internet. Let's talk about the Grass project, its prospects, and the upcoming token airdrop. The essence of the project is that by simply downloading the extension, you share the unused bandwidth of your internet, earning points that will soon be converted into project tokens, which we can then sell. The project uses a maximum of 0.3% of traffic. The catch is that many other extensions already use information about you and resell it to others. For example, the same MetaMask. But the Grass project decided to go against the tide and allow users to earn from it as well. Thus, Grass creates a data marketplace where various companies pay to view ads or the data that advertisers show you as an end user under your network. Your earning level depends on the geographical location of your network. For example, looking at American data earns more points because it's the most active market with a large number of buyers for such information. The project has already attracted more than $3.5 million in investments from various funds, including tier funds like Polychain and Tribe Capital. And this is just the seed round of investments. The closed alpha testing of the project has already ended, and now the points farming stage has just begun. In the project's FAQ, it explicitly states that all project users will be rewarded, so let's get down to business. All you need to do is click the link in the description, register a new account, and remember your login and password. Since the project is in its early stages, registration is currently possible only by invitation, so I'm leaving my referral code for you in the description. After registering your account, you will be redirected to the dashboard where you can observe the number of points you've earned. Next, in the dashboard or through the link in the video description, download the Grass extension in Chrome and log into it. Then check in the extension and dashboard to ensure that the connection information is displayed. If it's green, everything is okay. If it doesn't connect, check if your VPN is turned off. As mentioned earlier, network quality depends on your location. The more expensive your location is for advertisers, the higher percentage will be displayed here, and accordingly more points will be credited. So, how to earn a lot of points? Since only one extension can be connected to one Wi-Fi, and points are mainly earned with the extension enabled, you can consider enabling the extension on remote computers. But for those who don't want to bother too much, there is another way. There is a referral system and a bonus system. By going to the Referral Program tab, you can see which tier you are in. The higher you climb in tiers, the more bonus points you get. For example, reaching 373 points or 6 referrals will give you an extra 20 points for Tier 1, 130 points for Tier 2, and so forth. Also, a Grass mobile app is in development, so we're waiting for that. I will post all updates in my Telegram channel, so subscribe. Also, traditionally, since the project has a referral system, I will distribute bonuses to all my referrals from future earnings for your activity. I would appreciate your like and subscription. Don't miss the opportunity. This was the Crypto in Facts. See you soon.